welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and as promised I am back with One Piece haul part 2. Previous week I have promised you that I will bring another One Piece haul because I have purchased few. I have tried them on, I have returned some of them. Mostly I have products from Fab Alley. Once again, I'm guilty. I also do have products from Myntra and Amazon. I have almost 14 or 15 One Pieces today, and among them 6 or 7 One Pieces are from Fab Alley only. It's gonna be a long haul and I'm gonna show you how it looks on my body as well because we're gonna be trying them on. And for reference, if you are new here, if you haven't watched my previous haul, I am in the size L. All of the dresses that I'm gonna be showing you are in the size L exclusively. I am a mid-size girl. I can fit into M. Yes, I'm a little heavy on my upper portion, so I gotta check that, and for that reason I always purchase L size. Without further ado, let's get started because I'm so excited to show you, even though you have seen some of them in thumbnail, but we have more. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with black today. So the first one I have is this beautiful bodycon dress with V-neck. Now V-neck is something I personally really like because it complements my body shape. It comes with a hook in the front. You are sort of like wrapping this dress around and the rest looks like a skirt. It also comes with a belt and it also has a chain on the back. You kind of have to pull it and that's about it. It's a very moderate dress, I will say, but it looks really flattering on mid-sized girls. How much black is too much black? It does have an extra kapra in the inside, but it's very comfortable. It's poly lycra. It's not stretchable at all. When I tried this on, I really liked it on me and that's why I kept it. Beautiful black corset dress. To waist, it looks like a corset and then it's so flattering like a A-line dress. It's a full sleeve dress. I'm gonna save it for winter time. I cannot wear it in summer or monsoon. It's impossible because it's a very thick material. It comes with a zip. It's a poly lycra material. It has no other nylon. Fits really beautifully. It's gonna look amazing, especially if you are a slim girl, slightly in the slimmer side, you know what I mean, because of the corset fitting. If you have a little tummy, it's gonna emphasize your tummy. You can wear whatever the heck you want on the planet Earth because you have the money and you have the right to choose whatever the heck you want for yourself, okay? But I'm just giving my suggestion over here and I'm nobody. So if you don't want to take my suggestion, don't take it. Just buy whatever you want to buy, okay? Next, I have this beautiful organza puff sleeve dress. It's also in the color black once again. Now, organza, I vividly remember, was a thing in 2022 and 2023. I think it's also trending, but not that much anymore. The sleeves are a little see-through, you can see in real time, but the clothes are not see-through. Andar ka jo kapda hai, like the kapda that you are seeing right here, it's a cotton material and outside kapda is organza. Apart from everything, it looks really, really cute. I don't want to waste it like a casual wear personally. I would definitely wear somewhere. I have one more black dress and black ka silsila iske saath hi khatam ho jayega, trust me. I have this beautiful party dress from Urbanic. It's very blingy. Whenever I used to wear this clothes back in my teenage life, some of these always used to stuck in my body. Like, it's stitched, but still it used to stuck in my body out of nowhere. I used to get so mad, I vividly remember. After a long while, I bought such a blingy cloth. It's a sequin sleeveless mini dress which also has V-neck. It's gonna look amazing on nightclubs, but that's not my thing. Probably I'll wear it with a high boot and I'll just walk around town. Next, I have this beautiful lilac A-line dress which comes with a brown belt as well. Now, the combination of this color contrast was very new to me. Personally, I don't like wearing belt with a dress, especially with an A-line dress, because it makes me look even more bulkier in person. Like on camera, probably you will see like it's looking good or like presentable enough, but when I'm seeing myself in front of the mirror, I just feel like it makes me look very bulkier. But when I saw myself in the camera, I was like, I might just keep it because the color personally is one of my favorite, like lavender or lilac is kind of my color nowadays. I'm so much vibing with these two colors. Honestly, that was a prime reason of me keeping this dress. Otherwise, I would have returned it, but I will wear it without the belt. I don't even wear belts with jeans because it's something that never complemented my body type. I have tried so many hacks that are available on Instagram, but none of them work. It's a very thick cotton material. It has no lining whatsoever. You can even wear in summertime as well, even though it has 3/4 sleeves. Next, I have this beautiful green V-neck one piece. It's an A-line dress which also comes with a very luxurious belt. Now, the price is also very luxurious. Let me tell you, I still have the tag because I just thought that I'll keep it, and I will tell you that it's 2900 rupees and there was no discount. Ended up really liking it and how it looks on me, and anyway I'm a hoe for this color if you already don't know. The overall way it gives the shape to your body is amazing. It has V-neck, it has 3/4 sleeves, and it's an A-line dress, and it's not the similar belt like the one that I have shown you previously. It's a kapra belt. I tend to keep my belts loose, right? This type of cotton belts really helps with that. We are getting a little greenery situation over here because I have another green dress to show you guys. It's a sleeveless dress. It's slightly stretchable, not way too much stretchable. It's cotton material. It's so comfortable. It has no other kapra. It has a V-neck. The design in the backside also gives such a rich, attractive look. So comfortable to wear in summer and monsoon. I'm probably gonna keep this dress for Durga Puja because while doing pandal hopping, I have realized that I just want to wear minimal clothes because it's so hot and humid over here even on October, and I'm like, no, it's not that much costly. It's only for 790 rupees. The quality is top notch. They have stitched another additional kapra with the end to give it a very different look. I will highly recommend you guys to get this dress on any size. Next, I have this beautiful green self-designed dress in crepe. I was reading the description. They have mentioned that it's a 3/4 sleeve, and I'm like, nowhere in hell it looks like a 3/4 sleeve. It's a full sleeve. Again, it's an A-line dress. It has so beautiful detailings like ruffles at the hem. It has a zip closer on the right side. It's like round neck, full sleeve, A-line dress. So it's gonna make me look a little bulky, I thought, but thankfully it did not. If you fall in the brown skin with slightly warm undertone, I highly recommend you guys to grab some pieces on this particular color. It has nothing to do with being dark or fair. It's just a basic color theory. Next, I have one more green. I promise you, I'm done. Again, it comes with a V-neck and a 3/4 sleeve. Sleeves are see-through. It's a nylon material, so it's not a summer approved dress, but I love this fit once again so much on my body shape. Once again, it has this beautiful extra thread work which gives dimension to this dress, and all across this dress you will see this thread work. Next, I have this bodycon sleeveless high neck dress. It does not come with nylon. It's a complete cotton material and it's stretchable. It's very stretchable, I would say. High neck and sleeveless really complements my body shape. I know that high neck looks a little weird on heavy chested person, but somehow it does not look that bad on me. It's a very comfortable dress. If you are like a very moderate dresser and you haven't tried one piece in your life and you want to do experiments with one pieces, but you also want to be comfortable, I think this is gonna be a really good start. It's in the shade green, but it's not the green that I was showing you for the past 4 dresses. It's Savla green. Next, I have this beautiful orange color puff sleeve half wrapped dress with a buckle belt. Now the belt detailing once again is really good. It's rope and it's stretchable at the same time, and it also comes with a hook. V-neck A-line dress, kind of like a peach but not peach. It's a muted orange color. You can see how it looks exactly. There is no extra colorings that happening on this video. All of this you are seeing in a real time. It's so shimmery. If I follow the color theory, if you are slightly fairer, it's gonna look very flattering on you. Next, I have this beautiful peach puff sleeve V-neck A-line dress, which is a cotton material, by the way. It's very comfortable, but it comes with a belt. Once again, the problem with this type of belt is that I cannot just loosen it. I have to fasten it really well, otherwise it's not gonna look good. I'll wear it without belt. Comes with a chain on the back and also with a button. It's not stretchable at all. ये bodycon dress बनते बनते A-line बन गया. I know it's very weird thought, but I am weird anyway. I have another party dress, full sleeve and V-neck. It's a very moderate dress. Once again, it's from the brand Fab Alley and it's slightly costly. I still have the price tag. It's 2600 for one dress. Blingy thread work all across the body. It has no other design. It's a bodycon dress. Full sleeves has this elastic in the end, as you can see. Do you know what happens with such elastic finish at the very end? अगर मैं sleeve ऐसे पहनती हूँ, with time it goes up and up and up. Somehow it just looks really weird. When I'm wearing a full sleeve, I don't want to make it look like a half sleeve or 3/4 sleeve. You know, that's my problem. It's very tough to explain in words, but I just feel very weird. Next, I have this long yellow dress which comes with round neck, see-through half sleeve. I'm gonna be honest, it's not my very favorite, but my mom told me that it's looking good and probably I can wear it in a family function. That's why I kept it. There is like a lot of stonework, but all of them are stitched. Now it comes with a chain on the back. I made a fool of myself when I tried it for the very first time. I thought that I don't have to open the chain from the back, I will be able to like tuck it in because it's stretchable. And when I tried it, I'm like, no, it's not stretchable. So I had to once again take it off and then open the chain, and then I wore it properly. You can get catfished because it literally looks like it's stretchable, but it's not. Trust me when I tell you, I was suffering so much to find out that perfect brown color dress, but I have it today. I'm so excited to show you how it looks on me. I exactly wanted this particular shade of brown. I have almost ordered 7-8 brown shades from different websites, but it was not this color which I wanted so badly, so I returned all of them. It has all these beautiful stretchable detailings on the neck, see-through sleeve. It is stretchable. You will be like, now you are not minding the stretchable in the end. Can you see? It's like stretchable up to this. So it's very wide, so it will not roll down. But it was literally like a rubber band, which will roll eventually. But this one does not roll. I love it. They only had one left in L size, but they have other sizes available right now. If you wear up to XL, you're gonna find your match, so wear it, girl. That's about it. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and informative and fun as well. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video. Comment down below if you want me to make any other long form content in any other topic. If you want something from my side, I already am uploading long form contents quite frequently now. But if you have some suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. I will make one for you for sure. We are here to help each other. So if you found this video helpful and if you discovered my channel today only, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell icon so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get notified. I will see you guys on the next one. All the links will be in the description box below, along with my socials. If you want to check my Instagram, I'm quite active over on my Instagram. Take care of yourself. I love you all so much. Okay, bye.